Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my friends. In here, I am Tika Ramadulaili. I will be present my article with the title Need Analysis of Interactive Video Media Based on Problem-Based Learning in Mathematics Content in Grade 4. Point 1 Abstract. This study aims to analyze the needs of interactive video media based on problem-based learning in mathematics content in grade 4 of Rodatul Jannah Islamic Elementary School. This research method is descriptive, qualitative through observation, technique, and interviews with two fourth grades homeroom teachers. The results showed that teachers need interactive video media that can improve students' critical thinking skills. This is due to the lack of technology-based learning research in the school environment. It is expected that interactive video media can be an interesting and effective teaching alternative to improve critical thinking skills in math lessons. Therefore, the development of interactive video learning media needs to be considered in preparing mathematics lesson plans in grade 4 of Rodatul Jannah Islamic Elementary School. Introduction. Education is very important for humans in all aspects of their lives. Education has a significant influence of humans to be able to interact well with others so that their needs are met easily. Ideally, an education is given to humans from an early age so that the values in it are easily applied in life. In today's digital era, of course, an education must develop following the times both in terms of the material taught and the teaching tools used. The rapid pace of technology also greatly affects education, where the potential of technology on create new learning space that used to facilitate the learning process. And then and then there are many benefits in using learning media. The media can definitely the presentation of messages as well as information so as to improve the learning process and result. The learning process becomes direct and more interesting, interactive, effective, and efficient. Nowadays, the teacher is no longer a source of learning, but acts a learning designer. In designing learning, a teacher is required to be able to design learning by using various learning models and types of digital media to make learning activities more effective and efficient. The learning media analyzed in the main step to determine the develop an interactive learning media based on problem-based learning model. This research aims to map the needs of the use of mathematical learning media. The research contributes to recommending to all to map the needs of using interactive video learning media in learning mathematics of Rodatul Jannah Islamic Elementary School. And then research method. This research method uses descriptive qualitative research. The research subject is the fourth grade teacher at Rodatul Jannah Islamic Elementary School. These teachers use non-probability sampling technique for quantitative data, while qualitative data is in the form of structured interviews. Research also at the table of research sample data. And then table 1, list of grade 4 homeroom teacher, initial of Rodatul Jannah Islamic Elementary School. And then furthermore, the research data was also supported by the following question. Question 1. What types of learning media are often used in mathematics learning? In 21st century learning, it is necessary to use ICT-based media in learning. And question 3, what material in mathematics learning require ICT-based learning media and what digital-based learning media will be used? Of course, before conducting research, there are several prepares made by research such as 1. Research made observation for 2 week in advance relates to mathematics learning conducted by teacher in the classroom. 2. Researchers prepare instrument in the form of question sheet for interviews needed in the study. Furthermore, research conducts interview with two homeroom teachers in grade 4 SD Islam Rotul Jannah related to mathematics learning activity in class 4 on Wednesday, March 6, 2000 2024 in the teacher's room. After the data was obtained, the researchers analyzed the interview result narrative analysis technique. In the technique, the research focused on understanding the experience of the homeroom teachers of grade 4 of SD Islam Jannah in using interactive video learning media. Result and conclusion. Based on the answer to the question, what type learning media are often used in mathematics? According to Anne, the homeroom teacher of class 4A, according the subject matter, she used PowerPoint media. The PowerPoint use content explains the of material and evaluation question relates to flat welding material in the form of presentation slide so that students can easily understand and read them. Other media that can be used are concrete objects. For example, the teacher brings a card containing picture of several fruits and their name. Then it can also use objects that are in the classroom and in understanding such as whiteboards, books, shape puzzles that can supporting learning. According to at 4B homeroom teacher, in learning mathematics material about flat understanding student handbook so that learning is still monotonous. Actually, there are using an active speaker at school. But for LCDs and projector, it always provide and use alternative in learning. From the explanation above, it can be concluded that relates to the types of learning media that are often used in learning mathematics in class 4. This is fine various types of media including cards relate to flat shape concrete media, notebook, blackboard, coin, and object around the classroom. And PowerPoint media, however, in reality, during learning, the teacher has not used interactive media, increase student activities and student critical thinking skill. Therefore, necessary to develop interactive video media in learning mathematics, especially in material. Use of interactive media learning media. The result of the analysis of the interviews conducted with the two four grade teachers show that the fourth grade teacher and applied a variety in media learning mathematics. However, during learning, there are still teachers who use conventional media such as utilizing media in school environment. Picture, concrete media, especially notebook, blackboard, coin, and object around the classroom. This is not effective because students need concrete, interesting, effective, and efficient media such as interactive video so that students feel fantastic in participating in learning and usually accept and understand the material provided by the teacher. From them is by using interactive video that can increase student enthusiasm for study to be characteristic of interactive video. Include one video, text, image, and visual element. Two is interactive video to accommodate response. Three has independent nature will make it easy for use to be used study in the classroom. And then about problem-based learning, the steps in learning with the problem-based learning model are one, student orientation to the problem, two, student mobilization, three, guided inquiry for development and presentation, five, analyzing and evaluation student work. Mathematics learning is learning that content fact related to the material to be present. The material to be discussed in relate shapes such as explanation relate to material about flat shape, material about process, them relate to flat shape in the form of story problem. The interactive video media is highly designed by grade 4 teachers to support the delivery of maths lesson on flat shape. This is because interactive video are specifically designed to be effective and efficient media. The interactive video contains material that is organized in a practical manner on target, present in the form of image and audio equipped with a clear and easy to understand speaker voice, make it easier for students to play anything to learn. The use of upright interactive video media provide students with new experience in learning and students get a real and useful picture. Therefore, it is hope use interactive video learning media will be able to improve student critical thinking skill for grade 4 mathematics learning material that are difficult to understand and get easier for teacher to convey learning mathematics concretely and to achieve the objective. And then conclusion, based on the result of the research that has been conducted, it can be concluded that interactive video learning media based on the problem-based learning model is needed to support the success of learning in grade 4 of Radhatul Jannah Islamic Elementary School, especially in learning mathematics. In addition, interactive video media based on problem-based learning models can be an effective means in improving student critical thinking skills in learning mathematics, both concept and basic participate and making it easier for students to visualize material that is difficult to understand. Interactive video learning media based on problem-based learning model can can make student learning experience so that student can be more motivation for study. Okay, friends, in the last presentation, thanks a lot of and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.